Alright guys, we are at job number 2. We're at one of my local fire departments that I run with, Union Grove, and we are just going to be cleaning off all these doors here on the inside. As you can see, they are pretty nasty. So we're just gonna be trying to get them cleaned up a little bit. I might do the concrete pad out here, just since I'm here. It's looking rough. So, but I got all the trucks pulled out, letting the 2 engines run for a little bit because they don't get ran much, and then gotta get all cinch cords out of the way and bag up the garage door openers and the outlets and stuff, and then we'll get everything hooked up. We got water supply right there, so that's cool. But this hopefully be just a quick, easy job and get knocked out.